I'm going to show you how to download a single good image in Soar, right? A Sentinel image. We'll go to the Satellites tab. We'll click on Sentinel Hub. This will give us the 10 meter per pixel resolution, which is as good as you're going to get with the free stuff. I'm going to zoom into Bermuda here just for demonstration purposes and hit draw area of interest and then draw a box. Pretty simple up to this point. And you know, when it's green, you'll get the good 10 meter pixel resolution. But once I start to stretch this out, at some point it's going to go to what it calls low quality. This just means that the pixels are going to be 20 meters in resolution, so a little not as clear. If you have a larger area of the Earth you want to look at, that may be fine. But in our case, I'm trying to get to the best quality image. I don't really care about the size of things, right? So it'll turn from green to yellow when you get past 25 kilometers, whether it's in the X direction or the Y direction. So you want to keep it under 25 by 25 kilometers. Let's say I grab that image, right, and I want to do that. Now I just look through, and I'll probably take a little bit of time to find a good image. For the sake of time, I'm just going to grab this one from May 20th. So I click on that. I get the preview, and then once that loads in, looks good. I can roll in a little bit. I will download that, choose the best quality, and that gets put down into my downloads folder, right? So standard stuff, not a big deal. Let's go into QGIS and see what that looks like. So we've got I got just a blank layer here with OpenStreetMap opened up, which I brought in with my XYZ tiles. And when that comes down, we will load that in, right? So I grab that file, and I'm going to drag it in. Just drag it right on there, and you can see it's georeferenced. It's right where it needs to be. And now I have this nice image that I can use as my background layer. And it's all consistent. It's all one picture, not like sometimes the Googles or the Bings have seams in them. So we got a nice image. This one has some clouds. I can go back and look for many other versions of this. I could probably find a cloudless day, and that's how you get that one image, the one good image, right? So pretty simple. Next, we'll look at how to, if we want a larger area of the Earth, how we can stitch those together and kind of a little hack for you.